How to set a cover image for a photos album on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the Photos app. Next, in here, if you are already in the library, just tap on the Close button to close the library. And then we scroll down to the Albums section in here. Then tap on the right arrow. Next, in here, we're going to touch and hold on the album that you want to change the cover image. Then tap on Edit Title and Photos. In here, tap on the small image icon at the bottom corner. And from here, you can choose an image as a cover image. So here I will select this image as a cover image for this album. You can also change the title of your albums as well. And then tap on Done. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.